Hi, today I'm going to show you guys how to trade on Counter.Market. As a first step, I'm going to sign into my account. After I sign in, I'm prompted to connect a wallet. There's multiple options, but today I'm going to show you how to trade with MetaMask. Click MetaMask, I click Connect Wallet. I now need to sign with my MetaMask to connect it to Counter. I do that and my wallet is now connected to Counter. I've got 0.17 Ethereum currently in Counter, and I'm going to add another 0.1 Ethereum. So what I'll do is I sign it with my MetaMask. And what I've done is I've taken 0.1 Ethereum now from my personal MetaMask account into the Counter smart contract on Ethereum. And so now this is depositing. And what that means is that when it's in the smart contract, only my MetaMask wallet can access it. And that is the decentralized aspect of the exchange. No one other than myself, not even Counter, can access the funds in the smart contract. And now you'll see that it's arrived. I've got 0.27 Ethereum now in the smart contract. What I'm going to do now is trade that. So I go to the market. Today I'll purchase some BAT. I'll set the price at there. And I will purchase roughly 67 BAT. I click buy. I need to confirm it with my MetaMask. And that's it. The transaction has been completed.